Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. So today it's Monday macros, and this is my second time recording this because my son walked in his underwear. So, are you gonna do it too? You gonna come in your underwear too?
Huh?
I'm recording.
Oh.
Anyways, okay, so I went to the doctor today. I did a lot of sleeping. I debated on if I was going to do this video today or not because I am so exhausted. I've been sleeping on and off. I came home from work early to go to the doctor and I slept for like 2 hours. Doctor said no lifting anything over 10 pounds. And what else did he say? Gave me some pain patches, which I don't think I'm going to use. I think I'm just going to switch on and off between Tylenol and ibuprofen and ice. And then I found out that I have psoriasis on my elbows. So if you ever notice in the videos, I've been trying to edit it out, but I have these marks on both of my elbows that are so sore and they just get like flaky. I thought it was like eczema. I've had them for like maybe a year and a half. So he didn't give me much information on it, and I haven't really had time to do any research on it. So if you have psoriasis and you know what foods to avoid on keto, whatever, just comment down below. I will be doing my own research as well, so it might be some videos coming up on that in the future. Stop it, you guys. I don't know why they're all in here right now. They should be in bed or bringing me a water because I'm an injured mother.
No.
Anyways, let's get on with the macros today, guys. I started the day off with my coffee. I only had 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream and 1 tablespoon of MCT oil. Which I forgot to add. The MCT oil. I'm so sorry. I'm so tired. And I had half of a s'mores protein bar by Quest that Tiffany got me. And then for lunch, I had 3 eggs, 3 sausage patties, and 2 slices of bacon. Yeah, I did. I was hungry, and then I immediately passed out. For dinner is kind of weird. So I was eating some pork rinds when I was making dinner. I made 2 burger patties. I made 3 slices of bacon because we had burgers. And the kids had, I can't think of the word, pizza rolls with theirs. And then I had some pickles and I cut up radish like French fries and I fried them. So that was like 5 radish. I had 4 slices of pickles, 2 burger patties, 3 slices of bacon, 1 serving of pork rinds, and then I made a salad, which I didn't eat. I took like 3 or 4 bites of it, and I was just stuffed. So I ended up just having like 3 spinach leaves, a chunk of romaine, a little bit of cheese, a bite of avocado, and a tiny bit of ranch dressing. Like I just couldn't. And then Tiffany's was a finalist in the county's lung association poster contest. And so out of the entire county, 16 kids were picked out of 200, and she was one of those. So they got to meet the state representative and got their picture taken with her. She was a honorable mention. She didn't get into the top 3. We're very proud of her. We got to they had ice cream. I did not, but from Culver's, and we made buttons. And after that, then I took them to Wendy's and we got Frosties. And then we came home and I had some Enlightened ice cream because I was really jealous of watching them all eat ice cream all day. So let's get into the actual macros part of it. So I had 15 grams of carbs out of 21. I had 108 grams of fat out of 135. I had 116 grams of protein out of 97. And I had 1,543 calories out of 1,692 calories. So I went over on my protein a little bit, but in depth, I did 4% carbs, 65% fat, and 31% protein. I'm not mad at that. for being just like exhausted and tired. Oh, she really did bring me some water. I'm really thirsty too. Like, I feel like I'm dehydrated. I don't know. I'm still maybe getting over the sickness. I'm not sure. But yeah, so that's really all I got to say tonight, guys. Those are the macros. Tomorrow's video is the chia seed pudding video. So that'll be coming out around noon Eastern Standard Time. And again, thank you so much for all of your views and all your support. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day and make some good decisions, guys. Bye.